Alright, first cast was 5:45 and it is now 5:46, so we're running a little bit late. Alright, it's tournament day, so never fish this lake at Lake Greason, Arkansas. Oh, the water's cold. A little chilly. Alright. I'm thinking about starting with the buzz bait. Maybe a whopper plopper. I don't have the whopper plopper tied on, but it was an afterthought after I rigged all the rods last night, so we'll see what happens. Alright. 5:49, so we can cast. Bless America. Not ideal. No. Okay. Shoot. Come on now. Oh, he's got me hung up. Stay on. Stay on. Oh, come on. No, he f***ing broke. God dang it. Oh my God, it's 2 now. Should be 3. That should be 3. Might have sent her a little too hard there, bud. Wow, that's not good. Dude, this is just getting ridiculous, dude. Holy I don't understand like how. Well, let's check the leaderboard just to make me feel real bad about myself. $66, $60, $46. Oh my god. I should have like 40 inches at least. God, please be 10 inches. All right, let's go. No skunk. This is crazy. I've had service all day until I catch a fish. There's number 2, baby. Stay on. Roof of the mouth. Look at that hook set. Perfection. That's one a little bit nicer maybe. When I push 13. Don't you do it. 13 incher. What's that, 25 inches now? Oh. GoPro, stop recording. Hi. I like it.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. Oh, God. He was pretty small. Bruh! What the f- Dude, I could have coal fish right now. Oh. Might be 10, might not be. Yep, chill, dude. Chill, chill, chill. There we go. Another dink. One more. One more for a limit. That's all I care about right now. Ooh, look at that guy. He's all scarred up. Another dink. God. Well guys, that's going to conclude today's video. Tournament out at Lake Greason, Arkansas. It was tough. I ended up finishing 13 out of 17 with, I had 4 fish for like 47.50 total, I think. I should have caught a lot more than that. I think they all would have been dinks, so it wouldn't have been like, I don't think I would have gone up in place or anything, but it's just, it's tough to end the day with 4 fish. You know, at the beginning of the tournament, my goal was to just get a limit, and I easily could have. My hook sets were really off today. I don't know what that was about. Yeah, I think I don't know how many fish I missed today, 8, 9, 10, I don't know, but I could have had at least 3 or 4 coals out of that probably could have ended up in the high 50s, low 60s at the most. So it's still an improvement. In my last 2 tournaments, I only got 1 fish out of my last 2 tournaments, so definitely an improvement, and hopefully I can do better on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. See ya.